Crimp covers are really a great way to hide your crimp beads. We have our crimp bead already in place. We'll slide the crimp cover over the crimp bead so that you can capture it inside in the center. And then using crimping pliers or a pair of chain nose pliers, just get them opened up enough and then squeeze down. Take your time to get it so that it's closed properly. And then I like to come in with chain nose pliers and just really make sure that seam is closed. And then your design is ready to be strung. And then just repeat that on the other side to finish.